Hello everyone, welcome to the Power of Emotions. I am your host Aniket Papade. In this episode, we are diving deep into the fascinating world of emotional intelligence, a crucial element of organizational behavior. We will explore how AI shapes leadership, teamwork, decision making, and overall organizational success. So let's get started. Emotional intelligence or EI refers to the ability to recognize, understand, manage, and utilize emotions effectively, both of our own and those of others. Pioneers like Peter Sawley, John Mayer, and Daniel Goleman have significantly contributed to EI theories. Goleman's model highlights five key components: self-awareness, self-regulation, motivation, empathy, and social skills. So, how can organizations develop EI? Strategies include: first, EI training programs enhance self awareness, empathy, and social skills. Second, leadership development integrate EI assessments and coaching. Third, supportive culture fosters environment valuing emotion competencies. Fourth, EI assessments use tools like MSCIT for targeted interventions. Leaders with high EI excel. They foster trust, manage conflicts adeptly, and inspire teams. Research shows AI-driven leaders enhance employee engagement, productivity, and organizational commitment. Key leadership competencies linked to include transformational leadership, promoting innovations and effective conflict resolution. For example, Indira Nooyi, former CEO of PepsiCo, is renowned for her EI leadership, leads to enhance brand reputation, employee loyalty, and sustainable business growth. Teams thrive with emotional intelligence. AI promotes open communication, trust to operation. Studies indicate terms high AI have better performance, cohesion, and innovations. For example, Google AI-driven team strategies leads to 30% more innovative products, 25% higher job satisfaction, and 15% revenue growth. Emotional intelligence directly impacts organizational performance metrics. High EI correlates with improved employee engagement and better profitability. For example, Satya Nadella transformation at Microsoft improve employee engagement, renew innovation, and stronger partnership. Now let us see some challenges arrive in implementing AI. There are several challenges in implementation of AI, but major are measuring outcomes and resistance. So, solutions for above challenges: first, promote continuous learning; second, involve leadership buy-in; and third, leverage data-driven insights. Organizations like Infosys have successfully embedded AI into their leadership programs, yielding remarkable results. AI is important for employee job satisfaction, which ultimately leads to better performance, better innovation, and better profitability. In conclusion, emotional intelligence is a game changer for organizations. By nurturing AI, companies can boost leadership effectiveness, teamwork, and overall performance. Thanks for tuning into the power of emotions. Thank you.